Here are three powerful money attraction exercises that are even more powerful when you use them together using the 369 manifestation method. Now, I started doing these a couple months ago, and I'm finally starting to attract the money that I deserve. And trust me, I probably had worse negative money programming than you do. So this really, really works. And there's actually a fourth exercise. I'm going to save that to the very end because that's going to form a really strong foundation that's going to help these three exercises work much better for you. Now, it's been a while since I've done a money video. I like doing these. I think they're good for us. I wanted to offer this to my beloved community as my way of thanking you for being part of the Medium channel. And if you're a spiritual person, money is freedom, money's empowerment. And without it, you may be compromising your own growth. So, are we ready? Let's dive in. So you can use this alongside other manifestation or law of attraction techniques, or as a technique unto itself, or three techniques as the case may be. But you may be asking why 369, and a lot of you know already, but there's something called the 369 Tesla code because he acknowledged that if you understood the magnificence of the 369, you'd have the keys to the universe. And in numerology, the number 3 and all of its multiples are the frequencies that act on the physical to change physical reality. So tapping into that code gives you a lot more power in your manifestation work. And you know, I'll flash a video above where I explain the 369 code in more detail and yet another technique. But for now, let's go over the three techniques. They're meant to be used together. So number one is you simply write a check out to yourself for your desired amount of money that you're going to make this year. I'm filming this on January 6, 2025. So this will be for the year 2025. So in my check, I've got it in front of me, but I'm not going to show it for security reasons. But I have the check that I did, a couple weeks ago in front of me. It's for $3 million. So you want to make it reasonable. Like if part of you doesn't believe you can make the amount of money that you're putting in your check, your subconscious is going to reject it and it's not going to work. By the way, $3 million is reasonable because there's a ball player out there hitting 240, making more than $3 million a year. And there's unlimited money. So that's totally reasonable. And we're going to do this. So I have it for $3 million. I've got my name, so it's, my name's in it. The date of the check is 12/31/2025. It's the end of the year. And in the little caption for it's like net gains for 2025 or total gains. I don't want to say income. I don't want to limit the possible sources. Like, in other words, we set the intention. We feel like it's already real, but it's up to God, Spirit, or Source how that's going to happen. So it's just like net gained 2025. And then I sign it the universe. So I have it signed, like you sign your name on a check. I signed it the universe. So it's the universe. You can sign it God if you want, or Spirit. But you get the idea. If you have the concept, that's good. So you write this, do this in a little ceremony, like I lit a candle, I called my angels and guides in, and as I was writing the check, I was feeling, I was seeing, I was smelling, tasting, touching, and grateful for the money I already had, as if it was already January 1st, 2026, and I was celebrating that I made all this money. So I'm writing it down with all these positive vibes, as if it's already happened. And I do that, and then I'm done. So the second part of that is every day, at least once, if not several times, I will look at the check. I'll visualize, imagine that it's January 1st, 2026. I'm living where I want to live because I've made $3 million, exactly where I want to live, looking at the check, feeling great, and just feeling like, I can't believe that this is real. I can't believe that I did this, and really feeling amazingly well for it. And by the way, my check number is 144. 1 plus 4 plus 4 is 9. So choose a check number that's also 369. The more you can use 369 in this, the better. So that's phase number one. So again, you write yourself your check. You do that one time. You have it so you can see it every time you see it. Just do a little quick visualization. that it's already real. And every day visualize it with it a little bit. And then when you're not working, forget about it. Don't think about it. Know that it's already real and feel grateful that it's already manifest. So that's number one. Technique number two involves an affirmation and some energy work and visualization. So the way you do this, you get very relaxed, present, feel your heart open, feel grateful, blend that heart and that brain. So when you can see it, feel it, taste it, smell it as if it's already happening, then you engage the brain, and when you feel grateful for it, you engage the heart, and when you blend the heart and the brain, magic happens because you connect more with spirit or the quantum field and make it stronger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get very relaxed, feel very grateful, and I'm going to use this affirmation and say it 9 times, either out loud or to myself, but really feel it. And that is, I am a money magnet. I'm extremely magnetic to money. I am so happy and grateful. So notice that's 3 separate stanzas, right? So that's 3. You're going to repeat that 9 times. Then for 3 minutes, you're going to just feel like you are super wealthy and grateful, and you're going to feel the energy. So what I'm doing is, in my mind, I have money in my hand or gold. I feel the energy of money in my hands. I smell money. These are very powerful. So you want to align with the frequency of money. When you become a frequency match for the energy of money, you become magnetic to the money. So I want to feel this in my hand. I want to smell it. What color is it? What does it taste like? What does it sound like? And I just want to hold that. I just want to hold that and just feel like it, and just feel like I'm attracting it, like I'm counting it. I'm feeling that feeling in my hands and feet. The vibration of money, like the anticipation that I know a lot of money's coming in. So do that for 3 minutes, and then for 9 more times, do the affirmation. I'm a money magnet. I'm extremely magnetic to money. I'm so happy and grateful. And while you're doing the affirmation, especially the second time, see yourself in that perfect scenario. You're living where you want. You're doing exactly what you want. You have as much money as you want and you need. So do that 1 or 3 times a day. 3 times is ideal. If you could do this at least once a day. But the idea is to become vibration of money, the frequency of money, the current of currency, basically. And again, you do this by smelling it and feeling it in your hands, and then adding your other senses. It's really, really powerful. So the third exercise is every night when you're falling asleep, just imagine you're counting $100 bills or 100 euros, whatever your currency is, and fall asleep that way. Do these 3 things in tandem, and it's going to make a huge difference. So by the way, if you like the video, please give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this show up on your homepage, subscribe to the Medium channel. And the fourth technique, this is actually a guided process. It's frequency channeling that I do. It's a channeling process, a guided meditation that you can do to awaken your dormant wealth code DNA, or what sometimes is called the royalty DNA. Everybody has the wealth code DNAs. We all have it, but only a few people have it activated, and those tend to be the very wealthy or the royalty. But using interdimensional frequencies and channeling them, this will awaken your wealth code to make all these techniques easier. I'll leave information on how you can order that in the comments and the description. And as well, keep on the lookout for the free quantum abundance programming that we're going to have on our new website. That's going to be coming out very soon. So keep an eye out for that. And for another powerful money manifestation technique, check out the video right over here. And I love you, and best of fortune to you. Let me know in the comments how amazing this is working for you. I love you. See you at the next video.